Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a reliable mirror dash cam to improve driving safety and record everything on the road, this video is for you. Mirror dash cams combine a rear-view mirror and camera system, giving you better visibility, smart features, and clear recordings in case of accidents. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mirror dash cams in 2026 based on video quality, features, performance, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dashcam. The Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dashcam takes the number 1 spot thanks to its advanced technology, powerful camera performance, and smart safety features. This dashcam features a StarVis 2 sensor, delivering excellent 4K front recording and 1080p rear video. It also supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing fast video downloads to your smartphone. The system includes ADAS and BSD safety features, which provide alerts for lane departure and blind spot detection. You also get voice control, color night vision, and a 64GB memory card included in the box. The video quality is incredibly sharp, especially at night, thanks to the Sony StarVis 2 sensor. The smart safety alerts and voice commands make it feel like a premium driving assistant. Pros: Sony StarVis 2 sensor for excellent night video, 4K front and 1080p rear recording, ADAS and blind spot detection, voice control, and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. If you want one of the most advanced mirror dash cams available in 2026, the Pelsee S12 Pro is easily the best choice. Number 2. WOLFBOX 12-inch 4K rear-view mirror dashcam. The WOLFBOX 12-inch mirror dashcam is a popular choice thanks to its excellent build quality and reliable recording performance. It records 4K video from the front camera and 1080p from the rear camera. The 12-inch streaming mirror display provides a wide and clear rear view while driving. It also includes voice control, GPS tracking, WDR technology, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Plus, the package comes with a 64GB memory card, so it's ready to use right away. The large mirror display and stable recording quality make this dashcam a great option for daily drivers. It performs very well in both bright daylight and darker environments. Pros: sharp 4K front recording, large 12-inch streaming mirror, voice control and GPS tracking, includes 64GB memory card. The WOLFBOX Mirror Dashcam offers great video quality and strong reliability, making it one of the best mirror cameras available. Number 3. Pelsee P12 Pro Mirror Dashcam. The P12 Pro is another excellent mirror dashcam designed with smart driving assistance and powerful recording capabilities. This camera records 4K front footage and 1080p rear video. It also features ADAS and BSD driving assistance, helping drivers warn about lane departure and nearby vehicles. You'll also get 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, voice control, color night vision, and a 12-inch touchscreen display. The interface is smooth and easy to use, and the camera delivers sharp recordings even in challenging lighting conditions. Pros: 4K front recording, ADAS and blind spot detection, fast Wi-Fi and GPS tracking, large 12-inch touchscreen. If you want smart safety technology and solid video performance, the P12 Pro is a strong mid-range option. Number 4. 10-inch mirror dashcam full touchscreen. The 10-inch full touchscreen mirror dashcam is a good option for drivers who want a simple and reliable dashcam without spending too much money. It records 1080p Full HD video and includes a rear backup camera for safer parking. The 170-degree wide-angle lens captures more of the road. The mirror features a 10-inch touchscreen display and supports loop recording, night vision, and parking assistance. This camera is easy to install and operate, making it perfect for drivers who just want basic recording and rear camera functionality. Pros: affordable price, simple touchscreen interface, wide 170-degree viewing angle, helpful parking assistance. If you want a budget-friendly mirror dashcam that still performs well, this is a solid choice. Number 5. 4K mirror dashcam with Wi-Fi. At number 5, we have the 4K mirror dashcam with Wi-Fi, offering a good balance between features and affordability. This dashcam features 4K front recording and rear camera support, along with a 12-inch full touchscreen mirror display. It also includes Wi-Fi connectivity, G-sensor collision detection, 24-hour parking monitoring, and a 64GB memory card. The large screen and 4K recording make this a great entry-level 4K mirror dashcam for drivers who want modern features at a lower cost. Pros: 4K front recording, large 12-inch touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi, includes 64GB memory card. Overall, this is a good starter 4K mirror dashcam with useful features for everyday driving. So that was our list of the top 5 best mirror dashcams in 2026. If you want the best overall performance, the Pelsee S12 Pro is our top pick, but all of the options on this list offer great safety features and reliable recording. You can find all product links in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.